Hi, I'm Julieanne Kost. Here are 7 tips for working in the print module. First, from any module, Command-P on the Mac or Control-P on Windows will take you to the print module. Second, to avoid scrolling through all of the different panels, right-click on any of the panel headers and choose Solo Mode. In Solo Mode, when you click on one panel, all of the other panels will automatically close. To help document the settings when printing, use the Page options and show Page Info. Lightroom will then print the information about sharpening, the profile, as well as the printer. To print additional information about each image, use Photo Info. Then select from the list of presets or choose Edit, select your own options, and then save it as a new preset. To print a subset of images in a folder or a collection, use the drop-down menu to select from All Film Strip Photos, Selected Photos, or Flagged Photos. Take it a step further and use any of the different filtering options. To add a watermark to every image on the page, enable watermarking, and then select Edit Watermarks and choose between text or graphic. In this case, I'll choose text and type in the word proof. I can change my font, alignment, add a drop shadow, change opacity, as well as size, and the anchor point. I'll click Save, give it a name, and we can see that it's been applied on top of every image. To add an identity plate, such as your logo, enable it, click on the downward pointing triangle, choose Edit, and in this case, I'll use a graphical identity plate. I'll locate the file, and because I've saved it as a PNG, it will have transparency. I'll click OK. We can see that logo. We can reposition it anywhere. In this case, I'll leave it in the lower right, and then just select the first 8 images to print.